Hi students, now we see seventh problem. Here we have three inequalities. Okay, so first let me draw the straight line one by one. First let me take the first inequality 2x plus y, but I am going to consider this inequality as equation. Okay, 2x plus y which is equal to 8. First let me draw the straight line. Okay, I am going to find the points. So x, y, first if you put x is equal to 0, then we will get y is equal to 8. Next, if you give the value x is equal to 1, then 1 into 2, so y is equal to 8, the plus 2 becomes minus 2 on right hand side. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6, so we will get 6. So next we will give 2x. Okay, x is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, then y is equal to 8 minus, if you take right hand side it becomes minus 4. 8 minus 4 is plus 4. So we have 3 points, 0, 8, 1, 6 and 2, 4. We can plot the points on the xy plane. So 0, 8. On x-axis the coordinate is 0, and on y-axis we have 8. Okay, so 0, 8. So first point. Next 1, 6. In x-axis 1 and y-axis 6. 1, 6. There may be a point 1, 6. So next 2, 4. 2 is on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. Okay, so I am drawing here approximately the line. You should draw by the scale. Okay, this is first straight line, that is 2x plus y which is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so next we have to decide where we have to shade, whether it is upward or downward. Okay, for example we can take any points which is out from the line. We should not take the any points lies on the line. Okay, we should take the line just distance from the straight line. We can take 0, 0. 0, if I take 0, 0, then I can substitute here 0 into, this is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. First let me substitute x is equal to 0. 0 into 2 becomes 0, and y is also 0, plus 0 which is greater than or equal to 8. 0 plus 0 is 0 which is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, whether it is right or wrong, whether it is true or false, we have to declare. Okay, 0 is greater than or equal to 8. Here 0 is greater value than 8. Is it true? No, it is false. It is false. So that means we should shade upward to the lines, because 0, 0 the points which is lies below to the line. Okay, we have to shade on the right hand side. So next let me check second line. Okay, this is x plus y, 2y which is greater than or equal to 8. I am going to draw the straight line, so I am going to find the points. Okay, if I give x is equal to some value, what value I can give? 0. If you put 0, first let me consider this inequality as equation. If you put 0, 2y is equal to 8, then we can cancel 2 here, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, so we will get 4. Next if you substitute 1, it becomes 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 divided by 2, so we will get a fractional values. To avoid the fractional values, so we can take some multiple of 2 numbers, that means even numbers. Okay, next if you put 2, x is equal to 2, then 8 minus 2 is 6, so 2y is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6, so we can cancel here, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, so we can get 3, y is equal to 3. So next x is equal to 4, then 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so we will get 2. So we have the points 0, 4, 2, 3 and 4, 2. So we can plot the points here. 0, 4, that means 0 on x axis and 4 in y axis. 0 comma 4, okay, it must be here. And 2 comma 3, 2 on x axis and y corresponding, y is equal to 3, so it may be here. This is 2 comma 3, second point, okay. So next 4 comma 2, so corresponding x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. This, it may be this side, okay. So if I joining the points and extend the line, I will get a straight line. This is second straight line, okay. What is the equation? X plus 2y which is greater than or equal to 8. So next I have to decide where I have to shade, which place. So again we can take the point 0 comma 0, okay. Again I will take 0 comma 0. So what will happen? The given inequality is x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8, okay. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, so 2 into 0 0, which is greater than or equal to 8. 0 plus 0 is 0, which is greater than or equal to 8, okay. Again you see, it is true or false. Definitely it is false, because 0 is a lesser value than 8, okay. So we cannot say this is true, so it must be false. It is false, okay. If it is false, we should start then upward, okay. It must be here in this portion, okay. Next we have to find the line for the third one. What is the third equation? Third equation is x plus y which is less than or equal to 6. I will consider here equal to 6 as a straight line. Next I am going to find the points, okay. This is x axis, y axis. So what are the value I can give to x? First I will give 0. If I put 0, x is equal to 0, then I will get y is equal to 6. Next, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5. So next, x is equal to 2, so 6 minus 2 is 4, okay. If you put x is equal to 2, then we will get y is equal to 4, so okay. Then we can draw the straight line according to the points. First one 0 comma 6, on x axis 0, y axis 6. So this point, okay, 0 comma 6, first point, and 1 comma 5. So x axis 1, y axis 5, so it must be here. So next third one 2 comma 4, and x axis 2, corresponding y value is 4. So 2 comma 4, it may be here, okay. So if I next we can join the points. I will join to this point, and this one, okay. So if these are all approximate value, you should draw a exact graph, okay. It may be here, okay. This is third line. The third line equation is x plus y which is less than or equal to 6. Next we have to decide the sharing area, okay. So shading area, where we have to shade. For that I am going to take the point 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0, again we will put here x equal to 0 and plus y is equal to 0, okay. The inequality is less than or equal to 6. So 0 plus 0 is 0, which is less than or equal to 6, okay. Whether it is true or false. Is it true or false? True, because 0 is less value, okay, lesser value than 6 is true. So this is true. If it is true, we should shade towards the origin points, okay, this side for the third line, okay, this portion. So finally we have to conclude what is the common portion to all the region, okay, enclosed by 3 lines. What is the common portion? I think this must be a common portion, okay. It must be the common portion. So here we have to shade. Finally this is the common region enclosed by the lines, okay. So this is the required region in the plane. Thank you, students.